What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, as you know, the results of the giveaway. Who has won? I've wrote everyone's name down, as you've seen just there. Made them into paper airplanes. I needed a bit of fun. I'll show you that now. There they are in the bowl there. Right. Before we get to this, guys, I want you to head down to my sponsor, Slam Social. Go down to the Facebook page. I'll put the link up here and I'll put the link in the description. Give them a like. Show them some love. They put a good show on. They're a good bunch of guys. So just go down there, check out the merch even. Just give them a like. Anyway, here we are, guys. Giveaway time! Right. You know what? I won't look. I'm going to sit here, eyes closed. Let's get into this. Let's go. There's one. I'm feeling it. I didn't. Felt it. Here's the winner. Who has won? I feel like I have to fly this first. Good little flyer. Into this. Oh, boom! Ross Jackson. Yeah, Ross Jackson, there you go, you've won that. 2 dash cams, some foam sticky pads there, spinny yellow yo-yo, freshener, 3 stickers. They are all yours, Ross Jackson. Sorry guys, for the people who didn't win, but thank you for subscribing. Thank you for taking part. I will have another one coming up. Don't you worry, there will be more prizes in the future. But for now, there we go. Ross Jackson. You are welcome. Right, there we are. I've been to Supercar Saturdays today in Stockton, so that video will probably be up next. Look forward to that. There was some unbelievable cars there. They had a little circuit going around the high street. Some nice sounds, so look forward to that. And until then, guys, peace out and take care.